Hello guys! Today, we're gonna fix my faucet who is damaged after the snowstorm. As you can see, our plants died. This is blood orange. It died after the snowstorm. And also my backyard faucet or sink is also broken. So I'm gonna fix it today. Let's go! So guys, we're in the hardware store na buy a faucet. So this is the one I'm picking. It's $19. I'm looking for cheaper faucet because it's gonna be in the outdoor anyway. So this one, the same style. Okay, let's check it out. You also have to buy this faucet connector. Faucet connector. So guys, I built this sink year 2017 and it's broken, so we're gonna fix it. So let's go. So guys, this is my backyard sink or ragged sink in the backyard. If I do gardening, I wash my hands here. And this is what happened after the snowstorm. I'm gonna turn on the water. See guys, this is what happened after the snowstorm. Because that is broken. It was frozen, I guess. Because when I turn it on, it came out. So guys, I turned off the faucet. So you see what's happened. Spring that came off also. See, this one is it take off because it's broken. And then for fixing this, you need a pipe thread seal tape. I got two here. You need scissors to cut the tape. Okay, let's start it. Show you why this is broken. See, during the snowstorm, I think this hose, and I see that one here, it cracked. See, that one in this side, it cracked. This side, this one is okay, just like that, but this one is cracked right here, side there. Okay, to fix this, we're gonna take off the whole faucet and we'll put a new one. Make sure underneath has no house of a wasp. See, because before underneath my sink has a house of the wasp. Very painful when this stung you. So we have this hose connected to the main faucet. You put it underneath. This hose is attached to the cold water supply handle. And the hot is there. So this is what I do. This is the cold supply handle. And this is the hot water supply. So I don't use hot water in the backyard. So I put the cap to stop the water. Okay, so ready. To adjust this is just push this down. Adjustment. To loosen is clockwise. See, loose now guys. And next is we're gonna remove this part here, the hot supply area. Remove is counterclockwise. Clockwise. Okay, remove it already, the cap. Okay, here's some more remaining screw, plastic screw. Gonna take it out. Okay, it came off already. Other side. I use a storage cover here, plastic storage cover, to nail on so that your clothes will not get dirty. So now guys, we're gonna take out the top faucet fixtures. See? So guys, this is what I bought at the store. It's exactly the same. This is the plastic screw that will hold the faucet to the sink. As for this hot water here, I'm gonna cover because I don't need hot water in the backyard. First, so that it will not leak, we're gonna use sealing tape for the pipe, for the PVC. This is the cap, because we're not using this supply line. Just gonna cut it. Tighten it, make sure it's tight so that there's no water leak. It's already capped. We'll do it for now. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna put the supply line to the cold line right here. Okay guys, so this is the hose connector. We're gonna put it here to supply my faucet right here. Before we do that, so that it will not leak, we're gonna put 5-thread sealing tape again. Gonna add again. Make sure that no water will leak. To make it tighter. Alright, that will do it. Okay, so here is the supply line. And then you're gonna tighten this. Make sure it's tight so that there's no water leak. Okay, that will do it. So next is you're gonna put a spout right here. All you just wanna do is just like that. Okay, I use this so that my faucet will not scratch. So you tighten this. Okay, that will do it. It's already tight. So I'm excited to try. Let's try this now and have some water in my sink. You ready? Let's do it. Yahoo! Here's the water, guys. It's not leaking, guys. It's doing good. So guys, this is the main faucet for the sink. I put a hose here. This is closed and this is open. Just close again, and this you open the valve, and this hose goes to my sink, outdoor sink. I buried it under the grass. We're done. So thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Mwah.